Hey guys, today I'm going to review AI Advantage that helps you in making content, SEO, and video marketing, and many more other features. Introducing AI Advantage, the power-packed AI tool that ushers you into new age of content creation, marketing, and money making. Unleash the power of AI Advantage. Skyrocket your success and conquer your goals. Efficiency at its best. Dramatically reduce the time spent on content creation. AI Advantage automates and accelerates the process, freeing up your time to focus on strategic aspects of your business. All in one tool. Forget about juggling multiple tools for different tasks. With AI Advantage, you have a single comprehensive platform for all your content creation needs. 100 sub-accounts included. With AI Advantage, you are not just buying a tool, you are investing in a business. Give away or sell AI Advantage sub-accounts and keep 100% of the profits. Plus, you can earn a nice reoccurring monthly commission too. Optimize your marketing efforts from SEO to lead generation, social media to video scripts. AI Advantage offers you the tool to optimize every aspect of your marketing strategy. User-friendly interface. With its intuitive dashboard, AI Advantage makes AI-powered content creation accessible to both tech-savvy users and beginners. Risk-free investment. Your satisfaction is a priority. If you are not 100% satisfied with AI Advantage, you can make use of a 14-day money-back guarantee. Embrace the future of content creation without any risk. Ignite your profits. Here are the top reasons to grab AI Advantage today. Unprecedented efficiency. Rapidly create content, drastically reducing the time and effort spent on content creation. All-inclusive tool from SEO content to social media posts, video scripts to ads copy. AI Advantage covers all your content creation needs in a single platform. Cost savings. No need for multiple subscriptions. With AI Advantage, you have all you need in one place, saving you considerable expenses. Business expansion. The commercial license enables you to sell top quality content to clients, opening up a new revenue stream. Confidence booster. Deliver high quality content consistently, boosting your confidence and reputation. Peace of mind. Say goodbye to content creation stress. AI Advantage AI algorithms take care of it all, leaving you worry free. Stay ahead. Be at the forefront of AI technology in marketing. Stand out from the crowd and stay ahead of the competition. Achieve your goals, whether it's improving your online presence or growing your business. AI Advantage bring you a step closer to your goals. You can now make money in 3 simple clicks. Step 1. Log in and pick your adventure. Just like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor, you get to decide what you want to create. Log into a super user-friendly software and pick what kind of marketing copy you want to whip up today. Step 2. Click, click, boom. Generate your marketing copy like a genie granting you wish. You just need to press a button and bam, your customized marketing copy appears. No more head scratching, no more writer's block. We have made it as simple as hitting the play button on your favorite cartoon. Step 3. the cherry on top. Profit by sharing the magic. Now, here's the surprise twist. You don't just create an awesome copy, you can also make sweet mullah by giving away or selling access to this nifty little app to others. Think of it as sharing a secret treasure map with friends. Only you all find pots of gold. No matter what kind of marketer you are, you need AI advantage if you are entrepreneur, freelancer, small business owner, marketing professional, e-commerce store owner, blogger and influencer, copywriters and content writers, digital marketing agencies, online coaching and trainers. You can find the link to AI Advantage in my description box. Do check it out, guys. Thank you so much.